Well, it wasn't only Zuckerberg. There was Chris Hughes, Edward Saverin, and Dustin Moskovitz as well working on this project at Harvard called the Facebook. While Zuckerberg still holds the fort at an approximate $80 billion net worth, Chris Hughes left Facebook with $500 million after tax fortune to volunteer for Obama's 2008 presidential campaign, and now owns the magazine The New Republic. Eduardo Saverin, the initial CFO at Facebook, ended up facing a lawsuit when he froze Facebook's bank accounts, leading up to a 34 to 10% stake reduction by Zuckerberg. Things went haywire, and a non-disclosed deal was struck, following which he left the US and settled in Singapore. And well, much of the architecture of FB known to us today was designed by Dustin, who left FB in 2008 to form his own company, Asana, but still holds a whopping 3% equity stake. Not to forget, he is, to date, one of Zuckerberg's closest friends. Facebook is now called Metaverse, and it just invested $100 billion. Click here to watch the full video.